Welcome to the inaugural Awards Gala of the 100 Black Men of Long Beach. And now the moment everyone has been waiting for, the President's Award. And the award goes to Dr. Bill Relaford. Dr. Relaford is founder and CEO of the Relaford Institute for Limb Salvage and Wound Care at Miracle Mile Medical Center in Los Angeles.
I've dedicated my entire life to decreasing the amputation rate in high-risk populations around the world. As you know, African Americans disproportionately have the highest prevalence of diabetes-related amputation. It's nothing more devastating than someone to have an amputation who doesn't need an amputation. So early on in my career, I found out that with proper education and prevention and certain procedures that the amputation rate in our community can be addressed effectively. And that's why I found it was called the Relaford Institute for Wound Care and Limb Salvage.
Which explains his strong commitment to the activities of the Health and Wellness Committee of the 100 Black Men of Long Beach, whose objectives are to increase public awareness regarding health issues which disproportionately impact the Black community, to increase awareness and expand knowledge among Black people regarding current research, therapies, and practices, and to help shape public policy regarding the local, state, and national health policies impacting the Black community.
My healthcare advocacy is done through my nonprofit organization called the Diabetic Amputation Prevention Foundation. We go around the world, Africa, Latin America, South America, Brazil, and we teach healthcare providers about different techniques to decrease an amputation if someone's at risk of an amputation. Domestically, what we have a program that's called the Black Barbershop Health Outreach Program. Here we go around the country and we screen African American men for diabetes and high blood pressure right in the barbershop. Would you believe it that many men are totally unaware that they are affected by diabetes or high blood pressure? Sometimes we have to send men directly to the emergency room, directly from the barbershop.
Dr. Relaford has been featured in the Los Angeles Times and other daily newspapers around the country. He has talked about his Black Barbershop program on major news broadcasts, and most recently, he was a celebrity guest on The View. Dr. Bill Relaford, winner of the 100 Black Men of Long Beach President's Award. Dr. Bill Relaford's Medallion Award was created by C.J. Lattimore. This has been a K-Sun production.